until someone like me comes around and drops it. So if you don't know this, Tati was like one of the first YouTubers I ever watched consistently. I was tempted to wipe it all off and sit down and do a whole video. What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, sometimes I unbox things like I'm gonna do today, and sometimes I cook, but I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around. I hope you are subscribed to my channel. Today I ordered something online and I'm just so excited. Literally, the mail came and I was like, I opened it up and I was like, it's here, because I had tried to check the tracking and it wasn't tracking for me properly. So if you've read the title and you've looked at the thumbnail, you obviously know that we have a Tati Beauty unboxing. Now, if you don't know who Tati is, she is a YouTuber and she has her own brand and she has an eyeshadow palette and she also has makeup tools. So I ordered all of it. I know I am very late to the game. She released these, I want to say, in November. I was limiting what I was buying and it was just a little bit more than I was spending at the time, I think. I don't remember, but then I wanted to wait, and I am so happy I waited, because I think that I'm truly going to appreciate this more now than maybe I would have then, because I was trying a lot of different stuff back then. So if you haven't been here before, I haven't really been buying a lot on my channel. I have kept up with my Ipsy. I get the odd skincare item, but as far as makeup goes, I haven't really bought any eyeshadow, any really new makeup since March. Since COVID started was my last haul from Ulta, my first and last haul from Ulta. I'm gonna stop babbling and we're just gonna unbox this. We're gonna do some swatches of the eyeshadow palette. And I will sit down and do a full video, but I've already done my makeup today for work. And I was tempted to wipe it all off and sit down and do a whole video, but then I was like, no, I want to do an unboxing first. So the first thing I'm going to open up is, this is the Blendiful. So these are her blending sort of sponges. I've always wanted to try it. So it comes packaged like this, which I do appreciate that packaging. I like that I ordered two things and it comes in a very it's a nice small box. So look at the inside of the box. So if you don't know this, Tati was like one of the first YouTubers I ever watched consistently. So I always have had a special place in my heart. So that's why I'm actually so much happier that I did wait to pick up these items. So, because I think I'm going to appreciate them a little bit more right now. All right, so it comes with two sizes. So this is the full size one. So you can use these for cream products. You can use them to touch up your makeup throughout the day. So like this one I know she used to for blotting. That's just a little test. You can use it with cream products, powder products. I'm just really excited to try these out. They're so soft and you can bend them. I've seen so many positive reviews on these, so I'm just so excited to get to try them for myself. I'm just really excited to try these, so I am going to do a full video, a full face with these, so get ready for that. And then she does have an eyeshadow palette, and I'm so excited to try this. So I like, this must be recycled paper, which is actually the first time I've ever had anything packaged like this. So that's really nice. And there's a lot there, so I feel like this palette's probably going to be protected until someone like me comes around and drops it. That's really nice packaging. Like really just, it's very simple. It's very basic. This palette is cruelty-free and vegan. So we're gonna take this sleeve off. I'm so excited right now. I wish I had this sooner, but I'm okay. And here it is. Wow. First of all, that is beautiful in my camera. And now let's just give me a second. Okay. Wow. That is a stunning size mirror, by the way. This is really nice packaging. It feels very sturdy. First of all, the packaging is absolutely stunning. I like how it is divided into different color stories, which is perfect. And honestly, these are color story. This is a color story that it all works for me. So I am hoping to do a different look with each one. If you guys are interested in seeing that, please let me know. And then they're also labeled. So these are all, the top row is glitter. The next is metallic. Then we have sequin, and then we have matte. Oh, all right. So I have wanted this palette for so long, and I feel like now we are just going to, we're gonna do some swatches here. And since I'm not gonna swatch the whole thing, I'm going to swatch this whole color story right here. So this is Poet. Oh, it's so beautiful. So we'll start off with the glitter. So this is just a pressed glitter. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Wow. The next shade is the metallic. That is really nice. That's very soft. Then this shade, the next shade in Poet is the sequin. And oh my goodness, look at this. Bam, that is gorgeous. Oh my God. And then the matte shade for Poet is, I love this so much. Look at those. Those are so nice. So I'm really excited. So we are going to play with this. Hopefully we will get 6 videos out of this, because I think that that's what I would like to do. Maybe do some different get ready with me. If you'd like to see 6 looks, 1 palette, I could probably put it all into one, but I'm really bad at doing things like that. So maybe I'll just use it 6 different times for a get ready with me and tell you what I think about all of them. But I'm absolutely the most excited for this shade, this black metallic shade, because I remember seeing a couple tutorials and just thinking, I need that all over my eyelids. I just think I need that. What do you guys think? I'm really, really happy about this. I am so excited to play with this. I wish I didn't put makeup on, but I can guarantee I'm probably going to film a video with this tomorrow when I'm getting ready. Let me know in the comments below, have you ever, do you watch Tati? I know she hasn't been on YouTube lately, or did you watch Tati? And do you have this palette, and what do you think about it? And have you tried the Blendifuls as well? So I am super happy to try all of this fun stuff, and I can't wait to film with it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I absolutely enjoy hanging out with you guys every single time you come. Thank you for all of your continued support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. So the bottom, okay, so there's glitter, metallic, sequin, and matte. Metallic, sequin, and matte. So these are the glitter. This is the metallic sequin. No, stop. Stop being crazy, Amanda. Figure out what you're saying before you do this. Okay.